This video demonstrates the installation process of the ACO EV power channel. Please ensure all health and safety is in place, appropriate PPE worn, and the correct tools are used at all times. To determine the best locations for the channel, discuss with the homeowner and refer to the Government Electrical Guidance Standards. Once agreed, measure the width of the pavement from the resident's property to the vertical of the HB curb. The required length of the actual channel is slightly less than this measurement, as the channel sits within the end units by 50 mm. The channel should line up with the resident's property line, but the curb will straddle over the property line or sit within it. Use a straight edge to mark out the cut lines. The width of the channel should be 270 mm. Using a disc cutter, cut the asphalt layer. Loosen with a demolition hammer drill and remove the infill to a depth of approximately 120 mm. Mark the width of the curb end units central to the cut lines. Use a disc cutter to cut the existing curb and use a demolition hammer drill to remove to a depth of 255 mm. Inspect the base of the trench and compact if necessary. Dry lay the front and back curb end units, ensuring a straight fit that's flush with existing curbs each side. Align the modular channels into the installation and accurately mark the length of the channel that needs to be cut. Please note the channel sits within the end of each curb unit by 50 mm. Cut the last channel to length. If the last channel will be less than 15 cm, consider cutting two channels of equal amounts to avoid a small channel at the end. Once all the cuts have been made, lay the end curbs and channels on a bed of dry post mix and double check measurements and levels. Prepare a wet post mix and install the channels and end curbs, ensuring all are flush with surrounding levels. When the mix is firm to the touch, spray the edges of the existing asphalt with bitumen cold joint sealer and tack coat. To ensure a neat finish, avoid spraying the top surface. To fill the channel for asphalt surfaces, we recommend using a dark grey Ultracrete Tough Patch pothole repair product. Overfill the trench and then compact. This will allow for a flush finish when the cover is inserted. To complete the finish, we suggest applying a mortar mix around the end curbs. To create the length of the cover required, press together the recycled rubber covers male to female and insert 3 bolts into the holes. Hand tighten the bolts with an Allen key, but don't over tighten. Align the covers within the channel and mark the excess that needs to be cut off from one end. Ensuring the male end is removed, avoid cutting through the joint of 2 covers or the slot features. Carefully cut out with a handsaw, then simply install the cover and press flat into the channel. The ACO EV power channel comes with a handy user tool for the resident to remove and replace the cover without using their hands.